Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn the chapter of derivative in 12th class. In last year, that is in 11th standard, we have learned the definition of derivative, also the derivative by first principle and various derivative of various standard functions. Also we have learned the relation between the continuity and differentiability and the rules of differentiation, that are the rules of sum, difference, product, and as well as the rule of quotient. Okay, now today we are going to learn the derivative, concluding part of the derivative in 12th standard. First of all, I will solve some problem regarding the your previous knowledge of 11th standard. आज आपण थोडं पहिल्यांदा स्टार्टिंगला काही प्रॉब्लेम घेऊ ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण तुमचं जे पूर्वज्ञान आहे 11वी मध्ये आपण जे शिकलो त्याच्याबद्दलची आपण थोडीशी माहिती अगोदरपासून घेऊ. Example, find the derivative of log of 4x minus 2 by using first principle. Also find f dash of 2. Here we have to find the derivative of log of 4x minus 2, but it is by using the first principle. First of all, let y is equal to log of 4x minus 2 will be our function is equal to f of x. So f of x plus h is equal to log of, here f of x plus h comes in terms of x, so replace this x by also by x plus h. So this will be 4 into x plus h minus 2. This is equal to log of, multiply by 4, so this will be 4x plus 4h minus 2. Now by using first principle, f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. This is equal to limit h tends to 0. Now put the value of f of x plus h. F of x plus h is log of 4x plus 4h minus 2 minus f of x is log of 4x minus 2 divided by h. Now by using the property of logarithm function, log of a minus log b is equal to log of a by b. So by using this property of logarithm, here the function will be limit h tends to 0. Now this is as a and this will be b. So we use that property of log of a minus b. So the function will be log of a is, now I will rearrange the term as 4x minus 2 plus 4h. This is a upon b, and b is 4x minus 2 divided by h. Now divide 4x minus 2 by 4x minus 2 and 4h by 4x minus 2 separately. So this will be limit h tends to 0, log of 4x minus 2 upon 4x minus 2 will be 1 plus 4h upon 4x minus 2 will be 4h upon 4x minus 2 upon h. दिलेलं फंक्शन आपलं इथपर्यंत आलं बा. इथं आपल्याला लिमिटचा एक नियम वापरावा लागेल. लिमिट ऑफ लॉगरिथम फंक्शन, वी हॅव लिमिट h tends to 0 log of 1 plus h upon h is equal to 1. ये लॉगमध्ये काय पाहिजे बा, 1 प्लस एच जो आहे तोच एच आपल्याला काय पाहिजे बा, डिव्हिजनमध्ये पाहिजे. असं जर असेल तर त्याची व्हॅल्यू काय येते बा, 1 येते. तर हेअर लॉग ऑफ 1 प्लस 4h अपॉन 4x मायनस 2. सो वी हॅव टू ॲडजेट्स the term as 1 plus 4h upon 4x minus 2. तर आपल्याला काय पाहिजे बा थेरमनुसार की h जर असेल तर तोच h आपल्याला भागाकारमध्ये पाहिजे. आता h च्या जागी इथं काय बा 4h आहे, म्हणजे इथं आपल्याला काय पाहिजे बा 4h पाहिजे. त्यासाठी आपण टेक 4 इन मल्टिप्लिकेशन टू कॅन्सल दिस 4, टेक 4 इन डिव्हिजन. Also we require 4x minus 2 in division, so take 4x minus 2 in division. To cancel this term, take 4x minus 2 in multiplication. We have adjusted these two terms. Now by using this property, the limit of 1 upon 1 plus 4h upon 4x minus 2 upon 4h upon 4x minus 2, the limit of this function will be 1. And for these two functions, 4x minus 2 divided by 4. This 4 is can be written in the numerator, so it will be 4 upon 4x minus 2. This is the derivative of log of 4x minus 2. We can simplify the same, but also we have to find the derivative and f dash of 2. For x is equal to 2, f dash of 2 equal to, this is f dash of x. So put x is equal to 2 in this function. So this will be 4 upon 4 into the value of x here is 2 minus 2. So the function will be 4 upon 4 to the 8 minus 2, that is 6. So it will be 2 by 3. This is the derivative of log of 4x minus 2, and at x is equal to 2, this is the value of the derivative. Now we will see the next part of 12th standard, that is derivative of composite function. Derivative of composite function.